Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 25. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening Yin Yoga challenge where we practice Yin Yoga for 30 consecutive days. If you just stumbled upon this video and want to do this practice on its own, that is also perfectly fine. You're going to have a great practice out of this. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days and experience the full benefits of actually doing this practice for an entire month, then I will link everything down below so that you can start with day 1. Now for today, no props are required. However, because we will be moving eventually into swan or pigeon pose, as it is more commonly known, you might want to have either a block or a pillow ready just in case that pose doesn't really feel that good in your body on its own. That's it, and let's begin in child's pose. So first, make your way onto all fours, and then knees apart, big toes touch, sink your hips back, and melt your chest down against the ground. Rest your forehead on the mat, and just allow yourself to settle here for a few minutes. Gently begin to roll yourself back up, taking your time here. Bring the knees together and come into kneeling for a breath or two. And then if you'll be using props, just make sure that they are in your vicinity so that you can easily grab them. And come either into tabletop and bring your left leg behind your wrists, or you can come into a downward facing dog first, and then same motion, bringing the left leg forward and getting into your swan. So here the props come in handy. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can prop your sit bone on a prop, on a pillow, on a block, and this is going to make it much easier. You can also remain upright here, breathing nice and deep, finding length through your body, trying to square off the hips. Or if you want to, you can lower yourself down, bringing the forehead to rest on your arms. If you were resting down on your mat, first just lift yourself into an upright position, and then everybody, you can go into a little back bend on your inhale, and on the exhale, release. Place your palms and come either into tabletop or back into downward facing dog. Take a second wherever you are. And we'll do the same on the other side. So right leg forward, either propping yourself on your prop for some additional comfort here. And again, option is to remain either upright or folding forward and coming to rest on your mat. If you're resting down on your mat, slowly lift yourself up to seated. And then everybody, maybe a nice back bend on the inhale. And on the exhale, release. Come back into tabletop. And then kneeling. Take a second here. One more time. One more breath. And then make your way into Savasana. Extending the legs long, letting the feet flop to the side. Bring your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of your neck, and then allow yourself to surrender. Allow yourself to be heavy against your mat. Allow the support of the ground beneath you to cradle you here. Just breathe nice and deep for a few more minutes. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Deepen your breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can also take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Come take a seat in any way that feels best to you. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just tap into the day that you've had. And as that day unfolds, just find one thing, just one thing that you can be grateful for today. Or maybe that you can appreciate, maybe celebrate, or perhaps be proud of. Just choose one thing that evokes those feelings within you and then connect deeper with it. Let those sensations wash over and through you with every breath that you take. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.